everybody, we're back and today we're gonna make some salt dough recipe so that the kids can have some fun painting some Easter crafts. You guys wanna say hi?
Hi, my name's Noah.
What's your name?
And Sadie.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe we're going to need 2 cups of flour, a cup of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. So we're gonna throw it all into a bowl first and mix it all together. Mixed up with all your flour and spices and stuff like that, you're going to take 1 cup of water and slowly add it to it. You want the consistency to end up being kind of like Play-Doh, so start with a little bit of water and then add more as you go. Dough kind of feels like Play-Doh. Want to take a feel? Sadie, you want to take a feel? Does that feel like Play-Doh? Touch it with your hands. Yeah? So we're going to take it and put it out on the counter. Do about half at a time, and then we'll roll it all out. Okay, so then the kids have grabbed some cute little Easter cookie cutters, and then we're just going to cut some shapes out. So another idea is to make handprint ornaments for keepsakes, or you can give them out as gifts. Spread your fingers wide. There, lift it up. Perfect. Okay, so once you got them all on your cookie sheets and they're all ready to go, you can throw them in the oven at 170 degrees for an hour, and then we'll take them out and flip them over and then bake them for another hour.